Welcome to GK Mojo. So, in this second session of one word substitution, we are going to see some important words which are used for substitution. Alright, this is very important for bank, SSC, and MBA exam also. Let's get started with this exercise. A person who primarily concerned with making money at the expense of ethics. Alright, so this is a person who is primarily concerned with making money at the expense of ethics. This is called a mercenary. This person is called a mercenary. Someone with love with himself. You must have heard this. Narcissist. Okay. One who collect coins as hobby. The correct answer is numismatist. A person who likes or admires women. Philogynist. Philogynist. A lover of mankind. Philanthropist. Philanthropist. So Bill Gates is a philanthropist. Warren Buffett is a philanthropist. Okay. A person who speaks more than one language. Polyglot. This is very important. Please mark this. काफ़ी एग्ज़ाम्स में आ चुका है, स्पेशली आपके जो बैंकिंग के एग्जामिनेशन है, SSC, इसमें काफ़ी बार ये आ चुका है. इवन MBA में ये काफ़ी बार पूछा गया है, MBA एंट्रेंसेस में. वन हु लिव्स इन सॉल्टिट्यूड. रिक्ल्यूज. Someone who walks in sleep. Somnambulist. A person who is indifferent to pains and pleasures of life. Stoic. A scolding, nagging, bad-tempered woman. Termagant. Termagant. A person who shows a great or excessive fondness for one's wife. Euchroius. One who possesses outstanding technical ability in a particular art or field. Virtuoso. The medieval forerunner of chemistry. Alchemy. Okay, mark this. Again, an important word. A person who presents a radio television program. Anchor. One who studies the evolution of mankind. Anthropologist. Anthropologist. A person who is trained to travel in spacecraft. Astronaut. Russians call this as cosmonaut. The scientific study of physiology, structure, genetics, ecology, distribution, classification, and economic importance of plants. Botany. A person who draws or produces maps. Cartographer. Cartographer. A person who writes beautiful writing. Calligrapher. Calligrapher. A person who composes the sequence of steps and moves for a performance of dance. Choreographer. Choreographer. A person employed to drive a private or hired car. Chauffeur. Okay, again important one. Many people will mark driver as the answer, but this is chauffeur. A person who introduces the performers or contestants in a variety of shows. Compare. A keeper or custodian of a museum or other collection. Curator. The branch of biology concerned with cyclical physiological phenomena. Chronobiology. Chronobiology. A secret or disguised way of writing. Cipher. The study of statistics. Demography. Next one, the use of fingers and hands to communicate and convey ideas. The correct answer is dictology. Okay. Dictology. A person who sails and arranges cut flowers? The correct answer is florist. A line of descent traced continuously from an ancestor. Genealogy. Genealogy. The therapeutic use of sunlight. Heliotherapy. Heliotherapy. The art or practice of garden cultivation and management. Horticulture. Horticulture. One who supervises in examination hall. Invigilator. The theory or philosophy of law. Jurisprudence. Jurisprudence. A person who compiles dictionaries. Lexicographer. Lexicographer. The scientific study of structures and diseases of teeth. Odontology. Odontology. One who presents a radio program. Radio jockey. The art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing. Okay, and the correct answer is rhetoric. The branch of science concerned with the origin, structure, and composition of rock. Petrology. One who study the elections and trends in voting. Psephologist. P is silent over here. Psephologist. An artist who makes sculptures. A sculpture. The scientific study of behavior, structures, physiology, classification, and distribution of animals. Zoology. A state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority or other controlling systems. Anarchy. A form of government in which power is held by the nobility. Aristocracy. This is pretty famous in British terms. Aristocracy. A system of government by one person with absolute power. Autocracy. Important one. Market. A self-governing country or region. Autonomy. A system of government in which most of the important decisions are taken by state officials rather than the elected representatives. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. A system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of a state, typically through elected representatives. Democracy. Should know all these things because any one of this can be asked in the examination. A state, society, or a group governed by old people. Gerontocracy. Gerontocracy. A collection of historical documents or records providing information about a place, institution, or a group of people. Archives. A large cage, building, or enclosure for keeping birds in. Aviary. Aviary. So that's it in this video. Please visit us at gkmojo.com. Thank you.